Hi, my name's Ron. You are on one of Ronnie's road trips, and welcome to the world of Remu Amphibious Excavator bases. Remu, based in Finland, way across the other side of the world where they don't see sun like this. We are located today in the beautiful Condiditons River in Warwick, southeast Queensland. That's in Australia for your overseas viewers, and the best amphibious base on the market, bar none. We're going to give it a good run out on this little old Hyundai 210-9LC excavator in this beautiful river. Come on, let's have a go at this one. Well, there you have it. This is how we run a few little those smaller jobs in Australia, but I can tell you that this particular base here has gone through 2 Hyundai excavators. The base itself has done around about that 12,500 hours. And one of the last jobs, it was in the centre of Australia on a big salt lake, done over 600 kilometres walking. You know why it can walk? It's got D4 running gear, modified idler, all grease points, all D4 rollers, track chains, can walk, which is unusual considering other amphibious excavators struggle to get up here onto the ground and work on any hard area. This Remu base on one particular pontoon has 5 separate compartments, all with its own inspection plate to check it out. 1.3 metres wide. When it's extended, the whole lot of this base goes out to around about that 5.5 metres. But of course, hydraulic rams, when it retracts, tucks in just nice and neat, just under that 3.5, which means in Australia, 3.5 is our over width limit. Anything under that, you can put it on your float, your low loader, haul it, you don't need an escort. Big dollars saved straight away. Remu in Europe, especially out of Finland, major world leader in the manufacture of hydraulic attachments, buckets, grabs, you name it, they push it out there. I just came through the National Field Days Diesel Dirt and Turf, which was down in Sydney. Boss Attachments out of Australia import all the Remu gear, and what a great display they had on with Jari, their representative out of Finland, standing straight there in the centre and dictating all the terms, and also lending his ear to all of the proposed customers and clients that are coming in to buy this sort of equipment. Remu, brilliant. This base is, in my opinion, the best amphibious base in the world, and I know because I'm in the game. My hat off to you, Remu. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see more of these in Australia.